In 2025, people are burned out, overwhelmed, and searching for something real. But what if the answers we're all desperately looking for were written 2,000 years ago? Can ancient wisdom save the modern world? Can a Roman emperor, a slave, and a bankrupt philosopher teach us how to thrive in an age of chaos? In this video, you'll discover why Stoicism is making a massive comeback, not just as a trend, but as a survival tool, and how its brutal truths might just change how you live, starting today. This isn't just dusty philosophy, it's a practical guide to living a better life. This is mental armor, built for war, now worn by CEOs, soldiers, and even TikTok creators. Ready to discover the power of Stoicism in your life? Let's dive in. Imagine a life lived with purpose, resilience, and inner peace, even amidst life's inevitable storms. That's the promise of Stoicism. Founded in Athens in the 3rd century BC, Stoicism emphasizes virtue, reason, and living in harmony with nature. Its principles, far from being outdated, offer a timeless roadmap to navigating the complexities of the 21st century. At the heart of Stoicism are key figures like Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher emperor of Rome, and Epictetus, a former slave who became a renowned teacher. Aurelius, in his personal reflections known as Meditations, reminds us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, and accept what we cannot. Epictetus, in his teachings, stressed the importance of understanding our roles in the universe and accepting whatever life throws our way with grace and courage. Their wisdom echoes through the centuries, offering us guidance on dealing with adversity, making sound decisions, and living a meaningful life. In a world consumed by what's outside our control, Stoicism calls us back to ourselves, reminding us that true freedom lies in mastering our inner world. Enjoying this? Hit subscribe. I drop one deep video and 2 quick shorts every week, plus special takes on my favorite books and movies. In a world consumed by the relentless pace of technology and the constant buzz of information, finding inner peace can feel like an impossible task. We're bombarded with notifications, deadlines, and the pressure to keep up with the ever-accelerating tempo of modern life. This is where Stoicism emerges as a powerful antidote to the anxieties of the digital age. Stoicism reminds us that tranquility isn't found by avoiding life's challenges, but by facing them head-on with a calm and rational mind. It encourages us to detach from external distractions and cultivate inner stillness through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and journaling. By learning to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we gain a sense of perspective and control, even amidst chaos. Imagine scrolling through social media, not with envy or comparison, but with a sense of detachment, understanding that true happiness comes not from external validation, but from within. Imagine facing a stressful work deadline not with panic, but with a calm focus on what you can control, your effort and your attitude. This is the power of Stoicism in action. How can we practically apply these ancient principles in our modern, fast-paced world? Stoicism provides tangible tools for navigating the complexities of daily life. Struggling with stress? Stoicism teaches us to differentiate between what we can and cannot control. Focus your energy on influencing what you can, and accept with grace what you can't. Facing a difficult decision? Stoicism encourages you to consider your options rationally, weighing potential outcomes against your values and principles. Feeling overwhelmed by the digital world? Stoicism promotes digital minimalism, encouraging us to be mindful of our technology consumption and to prioritize real-world connections and experiences. By setting boundaries with our devices and being intentional about our online interactions, we reclaim our time and attention, fostering a sense of presence and purpose. We live in an age of information overload and emotional bankruptcy. We chase dopamine. We avoid discomfort. We pretend we're fine until we crash. But what if strength didn't mean escaping pain, but walking through it, eyes open? That's what Stoicism is really about. Not suppressing emotions, but mastering your response to them. Marcus Aurelius wrote during a plague. Epictetus spoke after slavery and exile. Seneca found peace after financial ruin and political betrayal. And now, in 2025, when anxiety is currency and chaos is normal, their wisdom hits harder than ever. Every time you choose stillness over noise, discipline over impulse, perspective over panic, you're part of the Stoic comeback. Not a trend, not a hashtag, a rebellion. A quiet rebellion. Against a world that profits from your panic. You are not powerless. You are not alone. You are not broken. You're just not playing their game anymore. And that's the most stoic move of all. If this resonated with you, don't just scroll away. Hit that subscribe button. This channel is a space for minds that love to wonder, question, and grow. Join us, and let's explore the mysteries of the human experience together. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment with your thoughts below.